Welcome to Ranking 10 Video Rankings. We announces the top 10 rankings of HDMI cables. Let's get started. Ranking number 10. Blue Rigger, Rugged High-Speed 25 feet. Blue Rigger Rugged High-Speed 25 featuring HDMI cable is a premium quality cable for your gaming or home theater setup. This cable is ATC certified to support all resolutions, up to 1440p. It has a reliable construction that protects against corrosion, while maximizing signal strength, quality picture and sound. Ranking number 9. Securamax, SM-HDMI02, 3 feet. Get your hands on this heavy-duty high-quality HDMI 2.0 cable. One of a few cables that will drive your 4K TV monitor at 2160p 60Hz. Ethernet and audio return channel. Backwards compatible with HDMI v2.0, v1.4 and v1.3. 100% pure copper wiring. Ranking number 8. Blue Rigger, BLCL 350 FT in wall 50 feet. This Blue Rigger HDMI cable is fully certified to support the latest and advanced HDMI features. It is backwards compatible with all previous HDMI standards, so you'll be able to use this cable with all your HDMI devices. CL3 rated for in-wall installations. Ranking number 7. Securamax, SM-HDMI 10 feet. Securamax SM-Hdmi 10 HDMI cable 10 feet is a heavy-duty and high-quality cable. It is one of a few 10-feet cables that will drive your 4K TV monitor at 2160p. It is quite flexible and tangle-free, despite its thickness. 100% pure oxygen-free bare copper. 24K gold-plated connectors. Ranking number 6. Securamax, SM-HDMI 08, 15 feet. This Securamax 15 featuring HDMI cable is thicker than most cables widely sold, because a good cable is meant to be thick. And unlike many other cables, despite its thickness, it is quite flexible and tangle-free, achieved by using a flexible wire type braided in cotton. Thick aluminum shell cover of soldering points. Ranking number 5. Amazon Basics High-Speed 6.5 feet. With this Amazon Basics high-speed 6.5 feet HDMI cable, you can easily play your Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, Blu-ray player, satellite dish, or other HDMI device on your big screen HD TV or computer monitor. From small mobile to large HD TV or projector, playback just got more impressive. Ranking number 4. MediaBridge, 9102x25B 25 feet. MediaBridge part number 9102x25B 25 feet HDMI cable, works with HDMI devices capable of 4K at 60Hz resolution, and ultra-high definition. This includes HD TVs, projectors, computers, game consoles, streaming players, etc. Ranking number 3. Twisted Vanes, 3ACHB6, high-speed 6 feet. Twisted Vanes High-Speed 6 featuring HDMI cables, conform to the latest 1.4 HDMI standard and support high-speed, Ethernet, audio return, 1080p TVs, 3D TVs, deep color, True HD, and DTS HD. These cables are triple tested for reliability. Gold connectors for better image sound quality. Ranking number 2. Amazon Basics, HL007306. High-speed 6 feet. Delivering clear, vibrant video, this HDMI cable with Ethernet meets the latest standards, which means it considerably expands bandwidth up to 18 gigabits per second, and supports the wide-angle theatrical 21:9 video aspect ratio. Backed by Amazon Basics lifetime warranty. Finally, ranking number 1. Securamax, SM-HDMI 06, 6 feet. Don't be fooled by thin copper-clad aluminium HDMI cables. Securamax HDMI cable 6 feet is made of 100% pure oxygen-free bare copper, and is triple shielded for maximum performance and ultra-low SNR. 28 AWG wiring enables 18 GB per second speed. Thanks for watching. Check ranking scores and more details on Ranky10.com. Welcome to Ranking 10 Video Rankings. We announces the top 10 rankings of HDMI cables. Let's get started. Ranking number 10. Blue Rigger, rugged high-speed 25 feet.